Hello! Welcome to Smart English Official.
Wait, do you know what to say when a barista looks at you and asks, "What can I get for you?"
A lot of people just freeze,
They go completely silent.
like a statue.
Don't be that statue. Stay right here. We are gonna fix that today.
Welcome to Smart English Official.
The best place to learn English in a fun, easy, and relaxed way.
I am Lima,
And I am James.
and today is such a good episode.
Nodding. It really is. Today, we are talking about something that millions of people do every single day.
We are talking about how to order coffee in English.
Rubbing hands together. Yes. And if you're a tea person, don't go anywhere. Everything we teach today works for tea too.
We love our tea friends too.
Okay, but first, friends, if this is your first time here, welcome to the family.
Please hit that subscribe button right now. It is free and it helps us so much.
And if you are already part of the Smart English Official family, thank you. You are amazing.
Okay, James, are you ready?
Pretending to stretch. I've been ready since this morning. Already had 2 coffees.
Gasping. 2 coffees? James.
What? I needed energy for this episode.
Okay, let's begin. So, imagine this. You're walking down a beautiful street. Maybe it is London, maybe it is New York, maybe it is Sydney.
It is a cool morning.
The air smells amazing.
You look to your left and you see a coffee shop.
There's a warm light inside.
People are sitting with their cups. Soft music is playing.
Taking a deep breath, you walk in and the smell of fresh coffee hits you.
Closing his eyes. Oh, that smell. I love that smell.
Okay, James, focus.
Right, sorry. You walk up to the counter and the person behind the counter looks at you. They smile.
That person is called the barista. B-A-R-I-S-T-A. Barista.
The barista makes the coffee. They are usually very friendly.
And they say,
In a friendly barista voice, "Hi there. What can I get for you today?"
and this is the moment. This is the moment many beginners feel nervous.
Nodding. But after today, you will not feel nervous. You will feel ready.
Okay, so let's learn the most important phrases, the ones you really need.
Phrase number 1. Are you ready?
Write this down if you can.
Phrase is, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Can I have?
Can I have a coffee, please?
So simple, so polite, it works every time.
You can also say, "I would like a coffee, please."
I would like.
I would like a coffee, please.
Both are perfect. Both sound polite and natural.
And here is an even shorter version for when you feel confident.
Just say the name of the drink. 1 latte, please, or a cappuccino, please.
That works too.
The word please is so important. Always say please.
Nodding seriously. Always. Please is like magic. It makes everyone smile.
It really does.
Lima, tell them your story, the cafe story.
Oh no, that story?
Grinning, yes, that one.
Okay. So, a few months ago, I was traveling. I was in a new city. I had never been there before.
She was alone.
I was completely alone, and I was so tired. I really needed coffee.
Dramatically, she needed coffee to survive.
Yes, to survive. So I walked into a cafe. It was very busy. There was a long line of people.
Ooh, pressure.
So much pressure. I was standing in line and I was thinking, what am I going to say? What do I want? How do I say it?
And then,
I finally got to the front. The barista looked at me. She had such a kind face. She said, "Good morning. What would you like?"
what did she say?
I took a deep breath and I said, "Hi, can I have a medium latte, please?"
Clapping, yes, perfect.
And she smiled and said, "Of course. Name?"
Ooh, the name question.
Yes, so I said my name, Lima. She looked at me and said, "Sorry, how do you spell that?"
Because Lima is not a very common name in English-speaking cafes.
Exactly. So I said, Lima.
Nice and clear.
And a few minutes later, I heard, "Medium latte for lime?"
Bursting out laughing. Lime?
Lime, James, like the fruit. Lime.
That is amazing.
I just said, "That's me," and took my cup. And honestly, the coffee tasted so good, I didn't care about the name at all.
And that is the lesson, everyone. If they get your name wrong on the cup, it is totally fine. It happens all the time. Just listen for something close to your name.
And enjoy your coffee.
Okay, so after you say what you want, the barista will ask a question.
The most common question is about size.
Small, medium, or large?
3 sizes: small, medium, large.
In some cafes, they use different words like tall, grande, venti.
Yes, but don't worry about those now.
For beginners, just remember small, medium, large.
And just say the size you want. Medium, please, or large, please.
Easy.
I always get medium because large feels too big for me.
I always get large because I love coffee.
We know, James, we know.
Okay, now after the size question, the barista might ask about milk,
This is becoming more and more common now.
because many people drink different kinds of milk, not just regular cow's milk.
Right, there's oat milk, almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk,
So the barista might ask, what kind of milk would you like?
and you can just say the type. Oat milk, please, or almond milk, please.
And if you want regular milk, just say regular milk, please, or normal milk.
That works perfectly.
Now, if you don't know if they have a certain kind of milk, what do you say?
Great question. You ask, do you have oat milk?
Do you have soy milk?
Do you have almond milk?
Do you have decaf coffee?
Do you have hot chocolate?
Do you have a table near the window?
Yes, so many uses. Okay, James, your turn. Tell us your story.
Okay, so this one is a little embarrassing.
Even better.
You are enjoying this too much. Okay, so last year, I was with a group of friends. We went to a very fancy cafe, very modern, very cool.
Oh, I know the type.
Everything on the menu had a long, complicated name. I was looking at the menu and thinking, I don't know any of these words.
This is going to be good.
So the barista came to our table. She was very professional. She asked everyone for their order, and then she got to me. I looked at the menu one more time. I still didn't understand anything.
What did you do?
I pointed to the menu board. I said, I'll have that one, please.
No.
Yes. She said, which one? And I said, the brown one with the cream on top.
James.
I know, but she was so nice. She just smiled and said, our mocha with whipped cream? Good choice. And it was delicious.
So the lesson is, pointing works. Describing what you see works.
The brown one, the one with cream, the one that looks warm.
You can always describe it.
And most of the time, the barista will understand. They're used to helping people. They want to help you.
Exactly. Remember that. They want to help you. You are not bothering them. Okay, so you chose your drink, you chose your size, you chose your milk.
Now it's time to pay.
The barista will tell you the price. They might say, that's $4.50, or that'll be £3.80.
And you can pay by card, by phone, or by cash.
If you want to use a card, just say, can I pay by card?
Or hold up your card and they will point to the machine.
The machine will make a beep sound.
The happy beep.
The happy beep means your coffee is coming.
After you pay, the barista might smile and say, it'll be ready in just a moment. Or, we'll call your name when it's ready.
So you step to the side and you wait.
And you smell all the amazing coffee smells.
Yes, you really do.
When your drink is ready, they will call out your name or the drink name. Large latte for James.
Or lemon for Lima.
Lemon for Lima.
This is my life now.
Sorry.
And then you take your drink, you smile, and you say, "Thank you so much."
Or, thank you. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Such a warm and friendly phrase.
People really appreciate it. The barista smiles, you feel good. It is a wonderful moment.
It really is.
Okay, friends, let's do a quick review together.
We learned so many useful phrases today.
First, can I have a coffee, please?
Or, "I would like a latte, please."
Then, the size question. Small, medium, or large?
Just say the size you want. Medium, please.
Then, the milk question. What kind of milk?
Oat milk, please. Or regular milk, please.
And if you're not sure, do you have oat milk?
Then paying. Can I pay by card?
And finally, when you get your drink, thank you. Have a great day.
That is everything you need.
You are ready. You can do this.
Friends, making mistakes is okay.
It is more than okay. It is normal. It is how you learn.
Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes.
I once ordered a decaf coffee by accident. I thought it was a type of coffee.
Wait, you didn't know what decaf was?
I was young. I thought it was like a special flavor. And then I waited so long for my coffee and it tasted so flat.
Decaf means no caffeine, everyone. No energy boost.
I learned that lesson very well.
Okay, now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, comment below right now.
Tell us, what is your favorite coffee drink or your favorite hot drink?
Do you like coffee, tea, hot chocolate?
Write it in the comments. We read every single one.
And we love reading them. Your comments always make our day better.
Also, if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up.
That little like button, it helps us so much.
And please share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Share it with one person today, just one.
That small action helps someone else learn English.
And that is a beautiful thing.
James, I think we did a great job today.
I think so too. And I think our listeners are now confident and ready to walk into any cafe in the world and order their drink.
In English, calmly, confidently.
No more frozen statue moments.
No more frozen statues.
Remember everyone, you don't need perfect English, you just need enough English.
And today, you learned enough.
You are doing better than you think.
We are so proud of you.
Keep going, keep practicing.
We will see you in the next episode right here on Smart English Official.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.